Hi there. Never know what you're going to get with my videos. Today we're going to be doing the front headlight bulb replacement on a 2014 Jaguar XF. The videos out there on YouTube will show that they're an absolute nightmare to get out. However, I found it not too bad once I looked at how to access the bolts and where the different ones were. Use those other videos to find the way out, but just a quick overview here of why it's so hard and what you're actually got to look at to beat the system. The bumper needs to be released. You need the flex in the bumper. 3 screws up the inner wing. Pull the inner wing back and it will allow you to access one more at the back, seen here. You'll see that little slot above that hole. That's got a lug from the headlamp into that space, so you won't be able to move the headlamp left or right. Yeah, at this point you have to pull it forward to get it out, but the top of the wing prevents it coming forward, as does the bumper. So also release all of the screws across the top of the grill there. I was doing both sides, so might as well do the whole lot. Look out for these lugs on the top. The bumper has to be pressed down in order to get it to release. Once you've pressed it down and released, you'll be able to pull it forward. That will allow the headlight to come out of that little lug. Then you can slide it left and right, trying to unhook the front of the headlight from the bumper. There are 2 huge lugs at the front of the the front of the headlamp, and they are hooked underneath the front of the bumper, and that's what's preventing it going up. So there's things preventing it going left and right, there's things preventing it from going up and down, and basically you've got to work it all together with the flex of the bumper in order to release that headlight. The trick is take your time. It does come out actually quite easy once you've got enough space. It's that bumper that does it. Once you've got the headlight out, you need to remove the bulb. A lot of videos miss the point that you have to rotate the little grey ring around the bulb in order to get it to release. It was extremely tight. I actually used a bit of WD-40 on it to get it to release, and when I did, it was fine. So there you go. Hope you can like, subscribe, take a look at my other videos in good time.